Hear me, I said I'm a Nigeria boy representing for King Mix-Up, the #1 source for the latest in dancehall entertainment. Yeah.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribe if you don't know the things said to bless. Hoping having a wonderful 4th of July today, but you know my style already. One bag of one and one. I gotta give you these daily updates when the people on the sit and don't sit on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end. And with that being said, let's kick it off with some fireworks this side because boy, oh boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy, yes, people, it's a lot with Spice, it's immersive. So let's just kick it off with the first topic. It seems that Spice has forgiven Karlie Red, as you can see. Somebody is asking her, to forgive Karlie Red because, Karlie just look up to her and wants to be her in a weird way. And Spice said she forgives her, but, I'm sorry, she won't be her friend ever again. Because she has to protect her energy and she will never understand how someone get love from someone and in return give them betrayal. Yes, I'm people. Karlie on the other hand is posting up some stuff, tagging Spice in her IG stories and talking about friendship isn't about who give or who know who the longest and all of them things there. And she's letting the world know that she's solid. So that's the latest what I go on from what I go on with Spice and Karlie Red, but I'm pretty sure we'll see more on love and hip-hop. Now, Sekkle Music is the latest person to come out and say Spice copied her style, you feel me? Or her lyrics, and we're talking about the Waka lyrics. It's immersive. Boy, ever since Spice come out, or previewed our 2 new musical tracks, people say she a copied Drift, Baby Sham, and all of these people, but you can see Sekkle Music posted a clip of that live, or the first live Spice did about Waka or whatever, and caption coincidence. So let's take a listen and then we'll proceed.
In our exchange, I remember a long time ago, she taught me about this, your Waka. And it stuck so much in my head, I called her the other day. I said, where's the 5 finger? She said it means suck your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your niece, your day, your whole blood clot family, your Waka!
You just suck your mother, father, sister, brother. All of them. Suck you all of them together.
And now again, when I posted that in my story, IG story, yesterday, I thought it was just Spice bigging her up. You feel what I mean? I didn't even listen to it. I just threw me see people that send me, this, me see what I'm going from what really are going, and as you can see, it looked like Spice answered her yesterday with the caption, middle finger, tell them go ahead, S your mother. You see me, put in the comment section if you see any similarities between the 2 songs. Now, the people them in the comment section saying, Sekkle Music, crapped out the part where Spice was talking to Yami Allah on her live. And that's who, I guess was talking about the Waka thing, and that's where she got it from or wherever, Boy, oh boy, oh boy. But remember, I'm just a messenger, yes, I'll give you the latest what I go on for not to go on, so let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, it looked like Shenseea, I don't want to say she's coming out the closet because she wants another baby, you feel me? But she says she's a new artist, you see me? And I think she went back on Angela Yee to let, the people them know that she's a new artist. Because, Angela Yee has a certain, well, I don't know how you want to say this, viewership out there that can either bust Shenseea the way like they want to bust mainstream. I don't know, you feel me? But this just confirms what my industry insider told me several years ago. When she dropped the Alpha album, Russian, and Shenseea wasn't in a good space, but he didn't want to hold her back, and he's letting her do whatever she wants to do as an artist. You see me? I say. And I don't want to say the girl on girl actions is what he wants to do, but more like she wants to do. But we know she's still under Russian's label. We know that she's still with Sony because obviously they need their ROI. You see me? I say. And we know she's still working with Disney. As you can take a look at the outfit that she's wearing. Is she the same one she's wearing on the interview with Angela Lee? So they're still trying to break her through because, if she does bust the right way, there's a whole lot of money to be made. You feel me? But on this interview, we talked about the baby. but yet she is celibate. So obviously, she and London on the track is not together. You see me? And they talked about, the girl and girl stuff, if she's into that, and she basically says yes, and she don't know why people is surprised. You feel me? Oh, and before I forget, and that's probably why Ebony is so happy of lately for giving London on the track and all of these things and things. You see me? Because it looked like, say, the relationship with Shenseea and him is finally over, and she can have London for herself in the meantime. As you know, Shenseea just bought her house the other day, and it don't look like, say, she a catch with London on the track no more. But go check out that interview. I think that's the same interview for the Hype Watch the other day. Why he was blasting, her and Aishana and, Spice and all of these people. It's a mess. But anyway, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, renowned reggae producer slash dancehall producer Kemar McGregor issued 2 public statements yesterday, and he dropped 2 videos, but we'll only play the last one. You see me say where he's advising all vloggers on social media sites, basically to remove the things them with Amari, saying those false allegations against him. You see me say, and also in this video, I think he is warning a certain dancehall artist for stop calling up his name too, because I guess this dancehall artist was involved with his family member, and not doing some nice things to them. You see me? I say, on the can put in the comment section which dancehall artist he's speaking. You feel me? But nevertheless, let's proceed to hear what he has to say.
See below in the caption the official statement. So in this caption is the official statement. So as of Wednesday of this week, which is the 5th of July, any bloggers have my image or my name on their YouTube channel or any other social media platform, you will be sued in court for defamation. So let me repeat. As of Wednesday, July the 5th, any blogger or any one of them full reggae art and dancehall artists here who's calling my name, as of this Wednesday, July the 5th, of any of my image or my name and anyone on a social media platform will be sued. And this is no joke. So these are the official statement in my caption as of this Wednesday, July the 5th. Any blogger, artist, no matter who you are, if you want to make mention of my name, post anything about me, you want to better lie you up. You hear me say? And you, me no want no apology. So let me tell you this. Me not even call your name. Artist or what you want name. Me no want no apology for you. Just know this. Anyone that want to call my name or post anything, anyone that want to blogger, as of Wednesday, July 5th, if you don't remove everything on the page, everything will be deleted. Because enough of germs and pit tile, you think when you can this man boy, when you can this executive, and think say, yo, man a fool boy, germs and pit tile it. Anyone that want the germs and pit tile it cross me again. The things that me I play with, you know. When the things that I'm like a low life boy and I deal with. A big producer when I deal with. Anyone on a pit toilet. Or germs cross me. Here we stop at this. None of them can this way. Official statement. Let me tell you something. You have an artist boy, you will chill my page. Let me tell you something, artist boy. You never know this, but me I tell you. You say nuts. You know nuts. You artist boy, where you say date my cousin and beat her, and you there with her and she young, and you love call people pedophile boy, yeah. Check yourself. You remember nuts? Nuts? Natalie? I'm a family, you never know that. Pedophile boy, you love call artist pedophile. Let me tell you something. All you, don't make me have to make nuts come on the internet and reel out your story. You artists, you know me I talking about your name, nuts. So if you continue to troll my page, you come and talk about FIO. You come talk about FIO. Think we never see it on my page? Don't make me make nuts come reel out the life story. You love to talk about people are pedophile boy and people are this. Don't make me make nuts come reel out the story. So here, official statement. And after this statement, I not make no more. I move on to what I do best, music. Right? So again, bloggers on the free for do on the blog about other people. But this is my name. I will sue all I want for everything one have. I mean, want for broke and nothing. When I just love post things about people for make money. No, I mean the money off of me. And I found a shit house and pit toilet. Me I said that on a shit house and pit toilet. And this is how we live. We're executive. I don't want nothing for money. I'm telling you that for you in a reggae. So for go shit house. And the real people them, sorry for your behavior like this, but not for them boy are shit house and pit toilet. We don't beg on nothing. We don't need nothing for money. We don't need nothing, no marketing, no promotion, because guess what? No fun no buy reggae. No. Go shit house, pit toilet. So here we official statement. Anyone I want to, as of this Wednesday, July 5th, have anything on the social media platform against me, I go in a trouble. And again, you artists, stop calling me phone and text me because I don't want no apology from you. You think you can go out there and I try slander and tarnish my name and then you come and call me and tell me, say, yo, you're sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. You can put out my song? Put out what? No, yo, let me tell you something. If you know good, don't call me phone and send me a text. Me no want no apology from you. Go ahead. That's my thing then. None of the reggae me not have no respect for. And guess what? We're going to show you something. Something when you can come this way, we're executive. We're a big producer. Look at where I suffer to, you know. You know, say we. Here, man. Official story. Sorry that it's so harsh, but some of them boy are pit toilet. Enough for them artists are germs that stop 12 man page like them up. Sure. But here, we're going to come off because when I want get mean. But not for a boy I go like say on a smaddy. I come troll people page that talk about, oh, FIO. Boy, I tell you something. Don't make nuts come real out your life story, boy. Don't. You never know my cousin? And my cousin used to date. Don't make nuts come real out your life story. Don't try that. We make nuts come done you on social media. You love call people pedophile and this and that. Boy, don't make me make nuts come and done your career. So just chill. Yeah, man, so eat that. Me I show enough on a blogger, so here what. You see, when people do things, music and thing, I don't like to blog about it. But when I say mix up on some things where dangerous and not supposed to be mentioned, and I must be careful when I post, when I jump on it and when I blog. I don't feel like it's a joke thing. This is not a joke, I'm telling you something. Yo, me make all when I come to the airport. Enough for when I was blogger. Get served and end up in a court. I mean, enough for when I can't afford an attorney. Enough for when I can't afford no attorney. So you want to do? When I just remove them. Remove everything. Me I talk to one of them in my office. Not my studio. So I must say I'm not on a joke thing with them. No think say we're a fool boy. Yeah? We're big producer boy. Yeah? Nah big no boy nothing in a reggae. None of uno nothing. So guess what? Yes, so it stop. You see, when anytime my people them start search the internet Wednesday morning and say anyone on the block have anything up, I don't know, page I get delete. And guess what? We have people up on the ground, I can know enough on the name. And enough on the name I can under cease and desist. That's everything there. Alright. Bless up everybody. And guess what, people? When you share it and tag all of the bloggers them. Tag all of the bloggers them so them can get the official notice here. And you and tag the pit toilet artists them. Whatever we love calling my name. All of the pit shit house boy them. Tag them to shit house them. We're fake. We're not selling music. Them fake. Go ahead. Tag them to. Yeah man, and all of the fake. Enough of them fake. Yeah man. That's the thing there, man. Again, sorry for being like that, but sometimes we have to make people know. So you them have to ramp with way. Because enough of them go they want to come style we like say we are fool, but we are like we are depend on them. We not depend on one. Go ahead. Want to buy music? Want to buy music? Let me tell you some people before I leave. You see enough of them artists, boy, yeah? You see if on a dub plate and a little stage show, they might get them suffer. Uno people who do 95 job earn far more money than enough of them, boy. Yeah? You hear me say to Uno? Uno who do a 95 job earn far more money than them. Enough of them, $300 and $400 them catalog earn a month. So them fake Uno who work 95 job earn far more money than them. If on a dub plate and little stage show, them suffer. Go ahead on a fake. Bless up.
Yes, I went over to Amari's page. She doesn't have anything with his name in the headline, but I do hear his name calling out her mouth in one of those videos. It's similar, say, and oh boy, you know, said Destiny now go back to California with her mother because you hear say police come down upon them and you know Amari leave her and things. You see me, I say someone sent me the live early in the morning but I missed it and you know I'm basically summarized on what they said, but you can go up on the Boom Bye Bye TV channel and go check out that video there. You see me with Destiny you know, explaining the issues with her mom, living with her mom and all of this stuff. You see me, I say, yeah, let's proceed to the next. Now, Dancehall pastor Minister Amari Hall, aka formerly known as Lady Sar, is wishing everybody a happy 4th of July. You see me, I say, and she said that she is keeping her foot on the demon's neck. Because you know, it's a Spice drop Waka Waka for she. You know what I mean? Because Lady Sar dropped 2 songs per now. You see it? Though, you know, that time for them to come out our way. And you know, the latest one, you know, Kiss Up Me Bible. As I said, them the song there is geared towards Spice. Yes, sight. But if you look behind Lady Sar, I think that's her condo she owns. Well, she owns several condos, you know. But some people say it's a rundown condo in Florida, but I'm pretty sure it's worth, you know, a couple $100,000. You see me, I say. But nevertheless, here is, you know, what she's wearing when she's walking on the serpent's neck. You see me, I say, I'm not gonna lie, Lady Sar show game has always been, you know, fire, you feel me? I say, but anyway, people, me not longer this, not longer than just to want to give them quick update, yeah, from what I go on, from not to go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we do drop the latest and dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.